morning. Larry Michaels here to talk to you about the Muzata cable railing system that we installed this past summer at our residence in South Dakota. Muzata gave us the desired look and outcome that we wanted from the cable railing system, along with the quality and safety standpoint. The outside mount gave us the maximum square footage for the curb appeal that we were looking for, and with the stainless steel, the longevity will be great because it will last a lifetime for us. One more thing is the no obstruction, clear view that we have from our deck is phenomenal for us. As you can see, we have a very nice view. The time it took to complete this project was about 30 days by the time I ordered everything and installed everything. The customer service was phenomenal for Muzata, so I would highly recommend Muzata for your next cable railing system project.